What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another episode. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the differences between strength training, hypertrophy, and endurance. First up, let's talk about strength training. Strength training is all about building strength and power in your muscles. This type of training involves lifting heavy weights for a low number of repetitions, usually around 1 to 5 reps per set. The goal of strength training is to increase your 1 rep max and to develop explosive power in your movements. To train for strength, you should focus on compound exercises that target multiple muscle groups, such as squats, deadlifts, and bench press. You should also lift heavy weights and aim to increase the weight you're lifting over time. Next up, we have hypertrophy. Hypertrophy is all about building muscle size and definition. This type of training involves lifting moderate to heavy weights for a moderate number of repetitions, usually around 8 to 12 reps per set. The goal of hypertrophy training is to increase the size of your muscles. To train for hypertrophy, you should focus on isolation exercises that target specific muscle groups such as bicep curls, tricep extensions, and calf raises. You should also lift heavy weights and aim to increase the weight you're lifting over time. And last but not least, we have endurance. Endurance training is all about building your cardiovascular fitness and stamina. This type of training involves performing exercises for a high number of repetitions or for a longer period of time, such as running, cycling, or swimming. To train for endurance, you should focus on cardio exercises that increase your heart rate and breathing rate. You should also aim to gradually increase the duration or intensity of your workouts over time. So there you have it, the differences between strength training, hypertrophy, and endurance. Remember, each type of training has a different goal and requires a different approach. Incorporating all 3 types of training into your workout routine can help you achieve a well-rounded fitness level. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit that subscribe button if you'd like more videos like this one that will help you get a hold of your physical and mental health.